anybody who has commitment and conviction about this is the direction they want to go, that they can absolutely build an enduring and thriving commercial cleaning business. There's a plan you can work, and if you work the plan, you'll have a business that works for you. There's 4 components to it, which I call the Club Clean architecture. This architecture helps you see what step to take first, and you have that conviction that I'm on the right track. And then that impact ends up helping reinforce the conviction you had because you saw it was right. And so it ends up being the snowball of momentum that you begin to build as you're building this structure of your business, an asset, something that can stand without you. Because if it can stand without you and it's profitable, you have options. You can choose to sell it or stay in it. And you don't want to be dependent on a business you just built, because then it starts to feel like a prison. And now all you're trying to do is escape. And so you may even sabotage the business that you built because you built it in such a way that it's so dependent on you. We want choice. I want to have the power to choose.